Highly aggressive grinding and material removal are the most common applications for flap discs, unless you are using our SMT 800 or SMT 850. So let's talk cleaning, polishing, and blending. Here at Klingspor, we offer a couple options for non-woven flap discs to meet your needs. If you're looking for a disc that will polish and blend, or a disc that will deburr while still polishing, you've come to the right place. First, let's discuss our SMT 800. This wheel is fully non-woven and is ideal for polishing and blending a rough surface into a satin finish. Applications for this wheel include rust and varnish removal, heat tinting and oxide film removal, universal metal and steel, stainless steel, and non-ferrous metals. In addition to our SMT 800, you can also find a CMT 800 and a Titan 800 for quick change and trimmable backing versions. Available in coarse, medium, and very fine, this wheel will help you to get a beautiful finish on many different applications. Removing material and creating a polished finish at the same time is made possible with a unique combination of non-woven and coated abrasive flaps on Klingspor's SMT 850. The coated flaps with a dry lubricant included makes this wheel a great option on stainless steel and heat-sensitive metals. Since this 2-in-1 disc allows the user to both lightly deburr while creating a surface finish that is particularly fine, users may find they cut 2 to 3 work steps. This helps save time, effort, and money. This disc is available in a traditional SMT 850 and can also be found in a Titan 850. Both the SMT 800 and SMT 850 are available in a 4.5-inch diameter and come in 3 different grit ranges for diverse applications. If you're looking for effectiveness, longevity, and versatility, our SMT 800 and SMT 850 make the perfect choice for polishing in your shop.